Okay, this is your favorite car, right?
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Okay, read.
The Moorman.
Okay, very good. 2 boxes for you. Okay, now read.
I once knew a man who lived on a moor.
Okay, very good. Okay, 2 more boxes.
Is that too loud? Is that too
It's
loud?
okay. Okay, now read.
What about my neighbor?
Okay, read.
His name was Mr. Lincoln.
Okay, his name was Mr. Collins. Again.
His name was Mr. Collins.
Okay, very good. Okay, 2 more.
Trash.
Move. Okay, next.
Mr. Collins. Wait, can I call it Collins? Because it sounds like it.
Okay.
Mr. Collins lived on a moor in Scotland.
And Mr. Collins lived on a
Hey,
moor in
you don't need to
Scotland.
correct me.
No, okay, I just repeat. Okay, 2 more boxes. Okay, very good. Okay, yes. Continue.
Okay. He was as old and poor.
He was old and poor. Okay. Move 2 more boxes. Okay. Okay, continue.
Mr. Collins may be old and poor, but he's not a bore.
Okay, Mr. Collins may be old and poor, but he is not a bore. Okay, good. Okay, 2 more boxes. Okay, dah nak sampai. Sikit lagi. Okay, next.
Okay. He had a heart of pure gold.
Okay, very good. Okay, finish. Okay, very good.